Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to resize an image using Canva. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser and head on to the Canva website, that is www.canva.com. So once you have done that, just simply create a design right here and just let's create a A4 document right here. Now this doesn't matter right here, all you have to do is to resize. So once you're in your Canva, you will have a blank canvas right here. Now to resize, let's just say if you want to upload a photo, just click on upload files right here and just select the photo that you want to upload. Or you can just simply go to elements right here and let's search for some photos. So I'm just gonna search for a photo like nature photo and go to photos right here, and as you can see we have photos right about there. Now to resize your image, all you have to do is to drag this one or drag anywhere on the screen like that, and it will automatically resize to what size that you want to have. Now another simpler way is, for example, if you want this full canvas to have an image, all you have to do is just to click on the image, or let's say this one, and just simply drag it in the canvas right about there. Oops. So there you have it. All you have to do is drag. So for now, I'm just going to detach image from background, and as you can see right here, if you want to resize the image that doesn't comprises the whole canvas, all you have to do is to drag that particular image right about there. And if you want to crop that image, you just drag the sides like that. It's as simple as that. So again, if you want to resize the image that will fill the whole background, just simply drag the image right about there. And if you want to resize the image that doesn't fill the background, all you have to do is to click on the particular image, and you can now drag this slider right here. And if you want to crop, you can just drag the side slider right about here. It's as simple as that. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!